Time to bounce, ribbing. Let's go! Bounce like a ball, up and down. Bounce around the whole toe. Shake your hands, shake your head. Shake your whole body instead.
Fantastic! Shake, shake, shake! Shake, shake, shake to the top. Up and down, side to side. Shake your body, feel the vibe.
You're doing great. Keep bouncing.
Slow the bounce. Nice and easy. Gentle shake. Breezy, breezy. One more bounce. Here we go. Let the rhythm start to flow.
Amazing shaking. See you next time.